Hello, good day, Sir, Madam. My name is May Anbagyo Orani, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband working as supervisor at Save More Market. I am college graduate with degree of Bachelor in Cooperative. I attended training, caregiving, and domestic helper. I have worked before as domestic helper in Hong Kong and here in Philippines. I do my responsibility are cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and I can cook Filipino food, basic Chinese food like soup, steamed fish, and mixed vegetable. And I'm willing to learn more. I'm willing to learn more. I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food, and my special skills, I know how to massage. I love taking care of newborn baby by give a milk, take a bath them, give them vitamins and medicines prescribed by doctor, and love them like my own family. Sir, Madam, please hire me. I promise to do my duties. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Sir, Madam.